Alright guys, we're back out here for day 3. Matt's going to take the takeoffs down. I'm going to start working on getting this base can in. We got our 16-inch elbows somewhere. He's going to take those on down there. We can start trying to drag these guys down there and get our trunk line going. Going to be lots of fun. See what we can get done today. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to frame out where my can is going to go with some 2x4, so it's got a good nice steady base, plus it gets it off the subfloor that's in there real nice. I'll show you what I'm doing here once I get going. Take my time, go slow. I gotta live with this for 15 to 20 years, so let's do it right. Alright guys, we're continuing on here. This is real tight down here. That's what we're gonna have to do. So we got our air handler set, which I just showed you. We got our 16-inch trunk line coming off here. Got it all sealed on the inside from the top because I can't get my brush up there. And then what we're gonna do is off of this elbow, I'm gonna put this other 16-inch elbow. This plumbing is really a joke. So we're gonna have to put another elbow on to bring it underneath the plumbing. It's going to be touching the ground pretty close, but it is what it is. I'm going to put the reducer on this first piece that's behind my brother there. And I need to help him. Hold on. Alright guys, a little progress report here. We ran all the way down to there. We're sealing each joint as we go. And we'll just have to fill in our spots that are missing insulation, give this overnight to seal. But we're free rolling now here. We're past our fireplace, and it's easy money from there. So we're gonna finish off this trunk line pretty quickly, and then we'll go to the other side. All right guys, we got the last couple pieces here to our trunk line that is going this way in the house. So this 12-inch here is going to be for future remodel that they're going to do. They're going to add up to 1,000 square feet. So I went ahead and sized our trunk line for that. Nice thing is I'm able to make this an 18-inch piece and put a cap on it, and that way the trunk line will build up back pressure. When we add to this, I'll extend it out again, and we'll run a piece, probably a 10 off of there, so it can still build up back pressure, and that's not stealing all the air. Or what I could do is put a damper in it and see how we can dampen the air and make the airflow good in the remodel. You're looking good back in there, Matt, somewhere.
What's up?
Said you're looking good back in there somewhere. Oh, this office, you gotta love it.
It's so easy.
A couple of guys in their late 40s doing this, and you can't find a kid to do it. Wonder how ridiculous is this? It's kind of stupid. All right. I'm gonna go put this collar with the damper on. This is for that one that's coming right off the base can, so I put a damper in it. I'll go put it in. All right. Whenever you have a run that is not part of your main trunk line, always put a damper on it. Otherwise, you can get way too much air. So I got a damper on him. I'm gonna pull the damper off to get my dovetails in. Oh, late 40s install crew right here. Oh yeah. Okay. Dampers out. Just need to get a look at this beautiful face here. Oh. That hole sure looked big. Oh, that's because I was going to put an airtight takeoff on there. Let's put the handle right there. Oh yeah, that's going to be a sloppy hole, but whatever. Yeah, really, Josh. You can't find a kid to do that? Come on. Can't. You can find a kid to attempt to do it. They'd screw something up. He's a sloppy hole. okay. That's why I got mastic. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I tell you. It's pretty not the best. Maybe I will get the mastic for that. Okay, let's get our damper back in here. Always put your handle where it's accessible. Just like that. Flux is going to go right on there. Like so. Alright. Alright guys, there's my 6-inch takeoff there. Before we do this other trunk line here on the other side, this 9-inch, if you look in there, see I got a gap there? That's because of our beam hanging down. So I'm going to show you a Jedi mind trick to get to that. Shouldn't be that tough. Get yourself a stick. Get your paintbrush here. Okay. Just like that. Screw them down. Hope it doesn't split on you too much. Just like that. Hopefully it stays on there. Could get some tape too, but I don't have any down here. Let's see how it works. Get it thick enough. Get my brush turned the right way. Nah, it's making a mess. Let's try plan B. Oh, I can. All right, I can get my hand all the way in there. See, God damn it. So you gotta get that sealed. I'm gonna pull my heat strips out. Could put a piece of tape on there. Cut that bigger. I'll figure it out. Alright guys, looks like I got her all sealed up there. 100%. It wasn't easy, but she's sealed. let's move on to this one. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, got 2 5-foot blanks to put on there. Check it out, guys. I never even saw this. It was right behind me. Looks like he probably was down here and died last night, maybe. Whew. I'd say they still have an issue down here. Alright, just like that, we got our trunk line up and sealed off. All 10 feet of it. There's the Y on the inch, the 7 and a 6-inch run coming off this 9. My brother's got the wedge strapping. I'll have him put a couple straps on this guy, maybe probably 3 of them. And he's working on connecting the flexes tomorrow. Once our goop's dried, we'll go back and seal up, insulate up any joints that we have, get our can insulated, get whatever insulation that needs to happen on this other larger trunk line. And we can start doing all the other stuff, refrigerant lines, working on the return upstairs. I probably should scope out the attic today and see what that looks like. But we're moving along good. That rat's on the other side over there. I don't want to climb over there. Alright guys, one more view of this trunk line before I get out of here. Our little friend, he's around the pier pad over there, so we shouldn't have to see him anymore. Probably smell him tomorrow. You see our joints are all sealed up there. I've sealed up our 6-inch with the damper here. My brother's continuing on connecting all the flexes. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning up the insulation down here and hopefully getting the refrigerant lines pulled. That'd be cool. There's our old thermostat wire coming up the hole there. I'll probably pull it back, drill that hole bigger, and then pull everything back.